This kitchen door is tricky. To unlock it, turn clockwise 360 degrees. You hear a little click. See? I'll try again. Locked. Turn clockwise and listen. Yeah. And then step 2, pull this thing all the way up, almost horizontal. And step 3, at the same time, pull this open with some force. It's a very heavy storm door. Once you open a little crack, it's easy to open it. To close it, make sure this is already turned clockwise all the way, because if it's like this, you won't be able to close it. So make sure this is turned all the way. And then you close this door just normally, all the way. And then you turn counterclockwise, gently. Now the door is locked. For stormy days, you definitely want to close it.